Good afternoon, my name is Will Seeger. I'm an OEM account manager with Reyco Granning Suspensions, and we're at FDIC 2019 here in Indianapolis. Wanted to cover some of the products that we have for the emergency response market, and we're going to start today with our 24K independent front suspension. What I want to start with today on this particular suspension is some of the features that differentiate our independent front suspension from others in the market. Firstly, we have a configurable cross member at the top of the unit that can be set up with various engine and turbo manufacturer configurations. We have 12 available today, and we can customize them if there's future iterations come out. Other features that we have is we have a removable cross member to facilitate the maintenance of oil filters and transmission and engine both, or any filters or removal of the pan, front and rear. We also have alignment concentrics front and back that allow you to easily set the caster and camber on the unit, as well as tow in with the tie rods here. Next couple of features that we want to talk about on this independent front suspension is the Kingpin that's serviceable. The cover's right here at the top. You can replace it and grease it right here. The other thing we want to talk about is we have two different offerings of the Bendix brakes. In this particular case on the 24K, we have the SN7, and these brakes are non-proprietary, which makes it easier to get your parts in a truck down situation, unlike some of the competition where you can only get them from one source. Now we're on the front side of the suspension, and I wanted to show you a few more serviceability features to go with this suspension. Firstly, we were talking about the brakes on the other side. They're easy to replace the pads. You can simply remove this clip, slide the new pads in, put the clip back in, and you're good to go. Also, we've got accessibility features that can allow you to get to the fasteners on the suspension. In this particular case, the control arm bolts, and on the other side you can get to the top shock bolt as well. A little more detail on the alignment eccentrics we touched at when we were on the back side of the suspension. On the eccentric, it's got an indicator mark here that can help you understand whether you're in a neutral position or a positive and negative related to caster and camber. Another product I want to talk to in our booth today here at FDIC is our R-Series air ride suspension. It can be retrofitted onto Class 3, 4, and 5 trucks, such as an F450, for example, chassis. It gives it the air ride capability, and we'll talk next about the air unit that supplies power or air to this suspension. The last product in our booth today I want to talk to you about is our Air Master that goes along with our R-Series suspension I just showed you a little bit ago. It's a self-contained compressor, air dryer, and it's got a module in it that controls the air going to the airbags. It can provide stability, it can raise and lower the vehicle, it can kneel it, and it provides air, like I said, to our R-Series suspension for vehicles on Class 3, 4, and 5 that don't have a compressor already installed. Thank you for taking time to spend with us today at Reyco Granning in FDIC 2019. If there's any information you would like to get about our products more in depth that we've talked about today or others that we offer, you can go to our website at reycogranning.com. Thank you, have a good day.